Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner of CRP Specialists Inc. and Bookkeeping is Fun LLC. CRP Specialists is my client advisory firm where we do provide accounting services specializing in nonprofit organizations and the trades to ensure that their books are ready to be sent to their tax preparers. And of course, we will help anyone who does need help because with my other company, Bookkeeping is Fun, is where I coach those who are learning accounting and help them to overcome the fear of gaining clients and give them experience and help them to gain confidence not only in themselves but in their skills. And I do this by giving them an opportunity to learn in a supervised live environment of actual books rather than just that learning environment that they get by working with the courses that they take that are often just a cookie cutter environment. So today we're going to dive into cash flow essentials for the skilled trades. Now, someone who has worked with many tradespeople, I know how crucial it is to keep your finances in order. So I want to get started with some practical advice. First, I want to talk about maintaining a steady cash flow. One of the best ways to do this is by implementing efficient invoicing processes. When you send out invoices promptly and follow up on overdue payments diligently, this is considered offering efficient cash flow. You want to consider offering incentives for early payments or accepting online payments to speed up that collection process because that will help you to bring in the money more efficiently. Now, another key strategy is accurate financial forecasting. I spoke about financial forecasting last week. So this means estimating your upcoming revenue, and expenses, and taking into account project timelines and seasonal variances. You want to use accounting software to create realistic cash flow projections, and this is going to help you to plan expenses and allocate resources more effectively. Now, let's address some common cash flow pitfalls. One major issue is slow work in progress, which is also known as WIP, invoicing. These delays in billings are often for completing work can often strain your liquidity. To combat this, you want to conduct weekly reviews of all ongoing projects to ensure that you are invoicing timely. Now, another trap to avoid is excessive inventory. You never want to have more materials sitting on your shelves than you need, because materials sitting on those shelves represents idle cash. So regularly reviewing your inventory levels and adjusting your orders based on actual usage patterns is what you want to do. So consider maybe implementing a just-in-time inventory system where your suppliers hold what you need and only release an invoice when they're required. Now, preparing for slower months is truly crucial. One effective approach is to build a cash buffer that will cover the 3 months worth of operating expenses. This will provide a safety net during those lean times, because a safety net is really probably the most important thing that you can do for yourselves when you're in business and you do have those slower months in business. Now, next, you want diversifying your income streams is also another thing that you can do to help smooth out cash flow. You don't want to also scatter yourself and make yourself look like you are doing 25 different things that have absolutely nothing to do with your business, but you also don't want to rely too heavily on a single product or customer. I want to explore opportunities to offer complementary services. or target different customer segments. But again, I can't stress enough, don't find multiple different opportunities that make you look like you are doing so many different scattered things that make you look like you have no idea what you're doing. Diversifying income streams is absolutely important, but keep them to be complementary services to what it is that you do and what it is that you are specialized in. Because when you find too many different income streams that make you look like you are just grasping at straws to make revenue, it just makes you look like you have no concept of what it is that you're doing. Just a professional suggestion. Now, here's some tips that you can start using right away. Possibly lease some equipment instead of buying them outright. This can help to maintain some cash for day-to-day operations. Maybe offer some early payment. It can incentivize customers to pay promptly and improve your cash flow. Or conduct customer credit checks. This, if you have large invoices that you're putting out and you're letting people pay over time, you want to do credit checks because it'll help to avoid potential late payers. Or using electronic payments for your bills. It will allow you to hold onto your cash longer and improves that cash flow. Then maybe think about negotiating better terms with your suppliers, because regular friendly communication can lead to more favorable payment terms. Most importantly, don't let cash flow issues hold your business back. Schedule a free consultation with us today, and we will help answer any questions that you may have and discuss how we can assist with your specific needs. Let's work together and ensure that your business not only survives but thrives financially. Now, if you're watching here us on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Now, if you're not aware that we had a YouTube channel, go visit us on YouTube and subscribe now at CRP Specialists today. We do appreciate your time, and remember, managing cash flow is an ongoing process. It requires attention and adjustment as your business evolves. That's where we here at CRP Specialists Inc. come in. As a professional client advisory firm providing bookkeeping services, we do specialize in helping the trades like yours manage those finances effectively. And we understand the unique challenges that you do face and can provide tailored solutions to help keep your cash flow healthy. Whether it's setting up efficient invoicing systems, creating accurate financial forecasts, or developing strategies for those leaner months, we are here to help. So feel free to schedule that free consultation, and we're happy to discuss how it is that we can assist you. So let us manage your money while you manage your business. I hope you all have an amazing day.